just a good old boy, never meaning no harm.
I barely
It's all we never saw, been in trouble with the law since the day they was born. Straightening the curve, flattening the hill. Someday,
yeah, man.
I don't know if we're gonna have enough room to even mess around.
What year is this thing? Woo, woo, woo. Woo. Woo.
I hope I don't scare this person here.
Yo, anyone wanting to know, Neo's testing the shit out of that TKX right now.
Look, no clutch. Wait. No clutch. I can't do it back down. This is on 600 wheel. We're only on 10 clicks, so gotta be careful because this is like a little speedway right here by itself. There's like no real cool straightaway.
We can head down the Z-Max.
If they open it up, man, I was like, just give me the switch, bro. Just get me on. Well, you know what we're doing. Can I go out there? He's like, oh, what?
He's like these damn kids these days. Dude, this thing is rowdy.
It's like I can't get all the horsepower on the ground because it'll just go.
I'm surprised though, because I mean, you got 300 pounds on this side right now. It's sticking on this side, it's slipping on your side.
So we'll go out down by Z-Max. That's a nice straightaway there.
Sure is.
No whammies, no whammies, no whammies.
Yeah, we'll catch up with you guys. Just want to bring you a nice little live feed. You need to check out Neomustangs YouTube channel. If you're interested in checking out a TKX and purchasing one, make sure you guys use free swag Neo on our website. You get a free shirt, you get free shipping. She rowdy. All right, guys, we'll catch up with you.
Hell yeah! That cop was just like, I kind of already know what you're doing,
right?
Can't get no traction. No traction. Woo! Well, I thought I was getting stopped.
This thing's fucking rowdy.
It's spinning tires. No clutch. No clutch again. Your dad's not gonna like that.
Well, this could be interesting to see what it looks like when it's done.
We'll probably do this one. Runs like a Cadillac, bro.
Sure does.
Beat the shit out of it. Runs like. Oh yeah. Yes. No, in my lane. Your lane.
Make sure you like and follow Neomustangs.
I'm gonna let him go though. I'm gonna try to catch him.
I do see flashing lights for whatever it is, but I can't tell what it is over there. Thanks.
Uh-oh. He's like, I'm about to drive out of this guy's life. exhaust though is very restricted.
Is it really?
Yeah. Are they following me?
Yeah.
I think they're following me. Why are they following me? Hell yeah.
You about to give him that step?
Huh? Oh. I was like... For a street car? Did they have like a Terminator show or something?
I don't know.
Oh, I think they had to park in a different spot.
They did.
What in the sin? See, I only spiked to 13 and I come back to 12, so it's not even turned up. Watch. 12. This motor would make 20 pounds, you know what I mean?
Right.
I just don't. Because that'll go big.
This is on the E85, isn't it?
That's correct.
Yeah, I was gonna say. You can smell it.
Yes. So I think what we're going to do with this car, to be honest with you, is we're just going to be happy with it. We're going to probably keep the TKX in it.
Are you doing the Vengeance in it? Or are you gonna adapt
We're
the
going to do
white car?
we're going to do the Vengeance because we're going to make more horsepower with a bigger turbo. You've seen it on my live stream.
Yes.
I'd have that turbo in here right now, but hey, are you stepping? Hell yeah, I'm stepping right now. Look, he stopped. He stopped him. That's awesome. I should have got that on camera.
Yes.
I wanted to take it out the
Is that your
straightaway
queen,
to
Nick?
see how much boost it was making, but it was 12. Just like I thought. That's where I tuned at.
Yeah.
650, 12. That's what it would have made on their dyno. 675. Hey, he's been in fast cars. Bob's car. He goes back in time in Bob's car.
I do.
1988. Here we come. It's fun.
To be honest with you, Bobby's car will pull the front tires on the street.
I know. We have
It's
fun.
probably all full of the smart beat shit.
I'm like, you're gonna. All right. I'll see you in a minute.
Someday the mountain might get them, but the law never will. For making their way